Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create vertical text on Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data, and for example, I'm going to create vertical effect for this text. So I'm going to click on this cell and we're going to go to the text rotation. And to make it vertical, we can choose this one, stack vertically, or you can choose this one, rotate up, or this one, rotate down. And for me, I'm just going to choose rotate up, and this is for the result. That's so easy, right? You just need to go to the text rotation, and then your text will be automatically rotated. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create vertical text on Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!